Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good news, good news, good news, guys. We're in 2026. It's so amazing to be in a new year. This year, if you're a small creator, new YouTuber, growing YouTuber, we are all going to get monetized. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 features that will help us to reach monetization. This is a new update. Some of us don't even know about it. Some of us already know. Some of us are overlooking this update. So I'm going to be sharing in this video 3 features that YouTube has given to us, especially small YouTubers, to help us grow and not just grow on our channel. This will also help us get monetized as soon as possible. So let's just go straight into the video. If you're seeing my face for the first time in this 2026, please like this video, subscribe to this channel so whenever I make videos like this, you get notified. So let me take you guys straight into my YouTube app. I'm going to be showing you every feature you need to turn on and start maximizing them now in 2026. So guys, first things first, we're going to go into the YouTube app. You can do this with your YouTube app. You can also do it with the desktop version. So we're going to click on the plus sign. This is a way to upload your video. So if you want to upload videos on your YouTube channel, so let's just go to video. Let's go straight to video, and I'm going to choose a clip, right? So it's just the normal process of uploading your video. So let me look for a video, like a short video to upload. Okay, let's do this one. So the next thing you're going to do, you go to your title. We already know how to upload video here on YouTube. You place your titles, you add your description. So let's say the title of the video. Remember guys, whenever you're placing any title on your video in 2026, be very intentional about it. Place titles that are clickable, right? So let's just say this is a music video. I'm just using this as an illustration. Okay, a music video. So after naming that, the next thing you want to do, add your description. The main focus is the feature. So let's go to the feature. You see this feature here, invite a collaborator. See this is the feature I want us to take note of. So the first feature here is collaborating with another YouTuber. See, this feature, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Some of us are not getting the information right. When you want to collab, like you want to invite a collaborator, if you have a channel that is like 1000 subscribers, 2000 subscribers, anyways, it's not even about subscribers. If you want to collaborate, make sure you are collaborating with a channel that has a strong, when I mean a very strong audience retention, like their audience engagement is really strong. Because if you're growing and you collaborate with another channel that is growing like you both will struggle. In fact, the feature will not work well for you. But if you collaborate with a channel that has a strong base, I mean the channel has that visibility and they have that engagement, trust me, you will do so well with this collaborating. This is the first feature you want to do. So now if you see, when you click on invite a collaborator, you can only do this whenever you want to upload a video on your YouTube channel. So the first one, it says you are in control. Let's go through this thing. Let's say you guys can understand. This first one says you are in control. Only you can make changes to the video. So even if you're collaborating, doesn't mean the person can have access to your videos, right? Now if you see the expanded reach, we will help you reach your collaborators audiences. So let's imagine your collaborator posts a video on a normal day and within an hour they get like 1000 views, and you collaborate with that kind of creator. Within an hour you should almost get 1000 views, because that same video that you've collaborated with that creator is going to be shown to that creator's audience. It's just going to look as if it's the creator that actually uploaded it on their channel. Now the next one says full ownership. You keep all the revenue, views and watch time from the video. So guys, this is an amazing feature you want to try in 2026. Remember, collaborate with strong creators. When I mean strong creators, like creators that has that base. Don't say okay, creative lessons say we should collaborate, then you just go and meet somebody that is also struggling to get views like you, and come now, let's collaborate. You will keep collaborating and collaborating. So guys, make sure you're collaborating with strong creators that will actually boost that engagement for you. So now, let's read here. It says, if you have paid product placement, endorsement, sponsorship, or other content that requires disclosure to viewers in your videos, you have to let us know by indicating that is a paid promotion. Okay, this is just like reading through to know what they are saying right here. So guys, collaborating. So inviting a collaborator is the first thing we want to do in 2026. Now let me show you proof, because I don't want to sound like, okay, she's just telling us to collaborate. Let me take you to one of my videos, okay, that I collaborated with someone here on YouTube. So guys, let me show you one of this video I collaborated with a very strong creator here on YouTube. And let's see, this is the video. Okay, I'm just trying to show you guys proof of what collaborating can do for you. Now you can see this video, I posted it November, sometime November, and I used the collab feature. Like, I invited this creator, and if you check, this video has been ranking 1 of 10. Like, my views used to be like 170 views, 80 views, 60 views. Sometimes I will have like 40 views. But guys, when I collaborated with this creator, you can see here, let's click on the performance of the video. The video did so well. I got over 6,799 views since it was published, and it's still getting views because up to tomorrow, YouTube is still recommending it to people. And this is one of the power of collab. Okay, so when you're collabing, make sure you collab with strong creators, like creators that have stronger base, and not just stronger base, they are connected to your niche. Okay, so if you want to collab, don't just go and say, okay, I want to collab, let me go and collab with somebody that is cooking and you're into fashion, or you want to collab with someone that is into technology and you're into comedy. Collab with people in same niche with you. If you are singing, collab with someone that is singing. If you're dancing, collab with someone that is dancing. So try to understand these things. Don't just come and say, this person is a big creator, let me just collab. Do you share same niche? Do you share same values, same information? Because if you come to me and tell me you want to collab and you're not doing same thing what I'm doing, like, I'm even seeing that, okay, the relationship is not going to be very, very symbiotic. Like, at the end of the day, it's not going to bring out any proof. I will not listen to you, right? So let's know how to do this right. Now, the second feature you need to try in 2026, I'm going to take you guys into my YouTube studio. Okay, so here I'm going through the Chrome version, that's desktop site. You're going to see A/B testing. So this is called the title A/B testing. What is this all about? Just a way for you to test your videos. YouTube will help you to test your titles, so you now have an opportunity to place more than one title on your video. Like, you can place 2 3 titles. Honestly guys, titles play a very big role when you're creating video on YouTube. Trust me when I say so. Because if your title is not catchy and clickable, people will just scroll through your videos and all of that. So now we have the opportunity, small creators, to even add 1 2 3 titles of our choice. So if you see this particular video, I was just I already have the title here, how much YouTube really paid me for live stream. Guys, you go and check out that video. Trust me, you're gonna love it. And I have the opportunity to add another title here, that's title 2 and title 3. So I'm just going to show you guys this particular feature. Go try it out. This will really change the game for you in 2026. If you're not doing it, start doing it now. Even me, I'll start taking it very serious because it's really worked. And you can also do this for your thumbnails. The good news is not just your titles, you can also do the testing for your thumbnails. And you know, these days your thumbnails might be great but may not really be what your audience want to see. So now you have an opportunity to place 1 2 3 thumbnails. Like, it's so amazing. So guys, go to your YouTube studio before you upload your videos. Even after uploading, you can as well change titles and, you know, test your thumbnails. So I hope this is really helpful. And the last one, if you've watched this video, thank you so much. Do well to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the last feature that will help you, see, this is not a magic thing, it's real, it works really well. The last feature here is live streaming on your channel. See, as a small YouTuber, if you really want to accumulate watch hour, like you really want to hit your monetization threshold in 2026, start taking live stream serious. If you're not taking it seriously in 2025, this year, make plans to start going live. Some of us have asked me in my previous videos, creative blessing, how do you go live? I'm going to show you guys how to go live on your YouTube channel, so make sure you're watching. Some of you that don't watch to this point, you will not even get this one. So let's just go into my YouTube studio. Let me show you guys how to go live. All right, so going live is very simple. Just go to your YouTube app. Very simple. It's like the simplest thing to do. So you click on the plus sign. Now it's saying live. Okay, so what you need to do before you go live, guys, make sure you edit. You see this pencil icon right here? Click on the pencil icon, click on it. Now you're going to edit your live stream in a way you want it to appear. But honestly, I don't really change my thumbnails and all that. I don't want to say maybe I'm lucky, but I feel like my live stream is actually very engaging. Before you go live, make sure you want to make something very engaging, or the topic you want to talk about is something very clickable and very, very engaging. So you can change your title here. Creative Blessing is live. YouTube have already placed that for you, but you can as well clean it off and just add something catchy. Maybe you can say how to get let's say how to get, oh sorry, let's go back. How to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so let's just assume that is the topic you want to use to go live. Okay, so how to get 1,000 subscribers. So you already see that I have changed the title of this live stream. Now, somebody said something that whenever they go live, they don't see people joining their live, and they just see the live just being there after going live for like an hour. Nobody joins. That is because this visibility, you need to come and change it. If your visibility is on unlisted, members only, the people may not even see it. So you just go to public your live stream. Make sure that people can see your live stream. Very, very important. After placing on public, you go back, you can check other stuff like schedule for later, advanced setting, and all of that. So guys, this is really, really simple. And the next thing you just want to do, you click on the go live button. Very simple. I don't want to go live, so I'm not going to click on that, but I just want to show you guys how to simply go live. Very easy, smooth, and simple. You don't have to do so much to do this. So guys, if you try these three features I have shown you on this platform, you're going to do so well in 2026. Try collaborating, and also try using the A/B testing for thumbnails and titles, and try going live stream. It's not that deep. All right, guys. So if this is really helpful, and if this is something you want to try and give a try on your channel in 2026, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in another video. You know how we roll. Bye.